Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a wig, another wig, yes I know, another wig from Nadulahair. So y'all, this is so cute. Y'all know I'm coming behind Nadula. Like, I have no issues, never have. Any unit I've gotten and any unit that anybody I know has gotten from them has been phenomenal. They are definitely in my top 5 when it comes to what hair companies I recommend. So you guys, this time I had the honor of receiving this 13x4 Bodywave frontal wig. Super cute. Now, I know you guys know how curls look when you get them. That is exactly how I kept the curls. I did maybe add 1 or 2. I did add 2 in the front here with my little wand curler, but for the most part, y'all, this is the hair, you know, the pattern that it came in, and I really think it looks really nice and natural. It doesn't look too, you know, done up. Now, this wig, I just wanted to hop on and talk about it before we get into everything else. So this is their 13x4 lace front human hair wig with baby hair, and it is 150 density. I have 24 inches. Falls a little more, 26 on me. I am 5'3" for reference. So they have a ton of reviews on the site if you guys aren't feeling, you know, confident in mine. So the only option is the 13x4 lace. Inches available is 14 through 26. So y'all getting your money's worth, okay? Now I will say the density is a little bit higher in my opinion than 150. I don't know what 150 between 180 would be, but that's the vibe it's giving, and I haven't even styled it. So imagine if you styled it and actually added voluminous curls, it'd probably appear much bigger. So that's definitely a plus. Inside the box, you guys, this is the box. Y'all know the vibes. On the back are care instructions for first timers. Inside they did give me a little headband, the packaging, and of course they always give me 2 wig caps. So thank you guys for that. They never let me down on that end. My opinion, I guess, with the wig. So because this is kind of like a straight out of the package, I can't really say a final opinion, but off, you know, based off of my like first impressions and stuff, I love this wig. I think it's adorable. It's definitely on the more affordable side. If you are like first time buying a wig, you don't have to break the bank. So yeah, I would recommend this for a first time beginner. 13x4 isn't that much lace to work with, and it's pretty easy to install. Now I did go ahead and do some baby hairs around the hairline, just very light. I just wanted to go for a lighter look. I always have the dramatic curls, the dramatic baby hair, so I just said let me do something a little bit different. And shedding and tangling, not really, you know, fresh out the box you're not going to expect any of that, but like I always say, wigs are always going to shed, whether it's minimal or, you know, whatever you want to rate it. But they never really give me any issues at all with any textures or anything like that that I have had from Nadula by themselves. So y'all already know how I'm coming about them. I'm sure that I say it every time that I have a video. But shipping was via DHL. It took, I say it took 3 days for DHL at least, because DHL has been really slow, y'all. So but yeah, the texture is like this nice fluffy flowy type of curl, and the hair texture isn't like yucky or anything. It's just really soft and airy, and I just love it. So the cap construction, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and of course you have your adjustable straps in the back. So that is great. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much, y'all. Let's just hop into this quick installation and these little hairstyles that I wanted to share with you guys. So like always, I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to Nadulahair, and I will see y'all in the next video. I got all the time in the world, no expectations at all. I just want what's best for you, girl. Relieve that headache, babe. I'm getting tired now. Alright, you guys, so this is the wig from Nadulahair. It is a Bodywave wig. It is 13x4, and it is 150 density, 24 inches long. I'm just gonna turn around and show you guys how full it is. So it's nice and full. So this is the lace. So first things first, obviously we have to install our good sis So that is what I'm going to do. And then we'll just do a couple of hairstyles, and then I'll do some chit-chatting about this unit.
Baby, if you let me, I can ease your mind. Yeah, you need to face it. I am no replacement. I'm the better version. Call me 2.5. Oh yeah. I got all the time in the world. No expectations at all. I just want what's best for you, girl. Believe that headache, babe. I'm getting tired of now. You don't deserve it. Don't wanna bitch you out. Do you better? Don't you deserve a smile? I'ma put it on down. Me, do you better? Let me teach you the way you should be treated. Let me do it the way know you need it to be done. And we can wake up running, repeat it. Let me do you better. When you're tired of all his talk, yeah. When you want action, give me a call. 'Cause baby, I can show you how satisfaction goes. Hey, let me show you now. Do you better?
Okay guys, it's really hot in my room, so my fan is on. So if that's the extra sound you hear, that's what that is. So I did go ahead and customize it just a little. I put some baby hairs. Now this wig isn't focusing on like super intense customization. I really just wanted to keep it natural. So really you can just kind of do like a flip over method with this wig without adding curls or anything, and it'll look really good, pretty nice. So this is how it's looking. Super cute. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a couple of hairstyles.
Baby, he's the reason for the way you feeling. I know what you need and you can get it on site. Yeah. 'Cause I ain't like the others, soon you're gonna discover it's that type of loving that can change your life. Ooh. I got all the time in the world. No expectations at all. I just want what's best for you, girl. Relieve that headache, baby.